Now how are you doing? Just finished this Damascus steel kitchen knife. 288 layers of 15N20 and 1080. Get some really nice contrast on it. It's been etched in acid and then soaked in coffee. The coffee just gives it that bit of extra black. So it's nice and shiny silver and nice high contrast. Handle's made from yew and stainless steel. It's got some lovely grain to it, especially that side. Really pleased with it, Sort of raindrop, random pattern. I was meant to do a full video on it, but I didn't have a chance in the end. I've got some shots of the welding it and putting the pattern in, so I'll put those in, and then I'll do a proper video of some other Damascus bits later on. But if you look, oh yeah, you can see there, look, across the back edge there, that's the layers. That's the layers in it, and yeah, pleased, very pleased. 7-inch long blade. So the customer's picking up tomorrow, so yeah, spot on. See you in a bit.